moving is my fate. 네가 chapter mystery already standing in your face. Too calm, too cold, too sharp to control. 내 그림자가 지나가면 도시는 잠시 멈춰. Look at me now, I don't need permission. Every little scar turn into my vision. 높은 곳을 볼 때까지 올라가 내 이름만 알아 새로운 길이 열려가.
There's this big complaint about AI music. It's not that it sounds bad, it's that it sounds relentless. Every bar is full. Every chorus is maxed. Everything is a bit too perfect. 30 seconds in and you're tired, because there's no space anywhere. And real music does have space. So when Mureka said their new model was built to deliberately restrain from being excessive, it made me want to test that. We made it busier is an easy claim. But this one is interesting and worth testing for. This is Mureka V9.5, and the pitch is to stop treating density as a proxy for quality. Their line is that a busier model wins the first 2 seconds, but this one wins the third listen. That comes from MusiCoT, Music Chain of Thought. Most AI music predicts a song moment by moment with no sense of where it's going. MusiCoT plans the whole song first. Structure, emotional arc, where to build and where to leave space, then fills in the details. That's why the dynamics survive. So let's build something. I'm in the Create Music, Custom tab, V9.5 selected in the dropdown. With that, we get natural songwriting and authentic performances with fuller sound. Isn't that contradicting their claim? Let's see. 2 boxes. Lyrics on top, style underneath. For the first test, let's go with something slow and exposed, because that's where a model has nowhere to hide. Here I got some lyrics, about a phone battery dying while 2 people finally say the thing they've been avoiding. I have also included some meta tags to guide Mureka along. 6 sections here. So we are literally asking it to move through 6 emotional states inside one song. That is challenging. I will type in a style prompt here to describe what I have in mind and hit create.
2% glows on your screen. The storm is taking every lamp.
That is amazing. Listen to the opening. Listen to what's not there. No pad wall. No stacked harmonies. No percussion filling every gap. It's a voice in a room. And because there's so little in it, you can hear the performance. The breath before the line. The way he leans off the beat. It's still a song, but at the same time it feels much better like a performance, with emotions. There is simply more room to deliver the emotions. That's restraint. Now the opposite problem, because holding back is easy if a model just does less. The real question is whether it does what you asked. So I'm giving it an unreasonable brief and seeing how much survives. Same custom tab, still V9.5. This time I got the idea for a bilingual Korean and English K-pop crossed with trap pop. Again, we're demanding a lot here. Let's see how much it lands. Here's the result.
You know the signal. You know the name. Back again. Different frequency. 검은 밤을 가르쳐 never 자국은 남아 숨겼던 내 춤춘 모습 이제 모두 보여줘. I don't chase, I don't wait, I just move when it's my fate. 네가 chapter mystery already standing in your face. Too calm, too cold, too sharp.
Terrific! I love how effortlessly and consistently it switches the language and the distinct moods they bring on. The rhythm feels heavy and fast at once. Let's check this against the prompt I gave it, what I told it not to do. No rock guitars, no shouting nor growling. It followed the negative instructions as carefully as the positive ones, and that's rarer than it sounds. That's 2 out of 2. Yes, the prompt does actually land. Now let's take this one step further. I'm gonna go to this song in the library and click on this video option. This takes us straight into Create Video, with the song already loaded. First, pick the section you want. There's a slider across the waveform. Just drag it to whatever part of the track you want the video built around, up to 90 seconds. Then comes the interesting part, MV character. There's a gallery of ready-made characters here, and you can go with one of those. You can also upload a photo you already have, or you hit create and you build your own. There's also a no character option, if you'd rather keep people out of it entirely. I'll pick mine and switch lip sync on. That's what makes the character actually perform the words instead of just standing there. Next, a background. You can pick from these or upload your own. Then a visual style. There's a solid range: ink style, retro neon, liminal space, vintage film, synthwave, dark realism, retro future. For a quiet song about a phone dying in the rain, I'm going somewhere moody and cinematic. So, maybe dark realism. Let's keep this one-click mode. Set the ratio to 16:9 and generate. And here's what came back.
2% close on your screen. A storm is taking every land. Say the part worth saving.
I have mixed feelings about it. It doesn't have lip sync throughout the video, but it looks pretty convincing where the lip sync does have. I really love the ideas Mureka compiled into the full video. Different camera angles, different perspectives on the same location, use of mirror effects. It's pretty creative, but the cuts are so abrupt and glitch-like, it feels like a surreal or sci-fi movie. There's not a lot of motion here, but I'm fine with it for this one. And that's still not all of it. There's Studio for multi-track editing and stem separation, Remix for flipping a finished song into a completely different genre, Soundtrack, where you upload your own footage and it scores it, and Mureka Co, the desktop agent that runs all this straight inside Ableton. This feature is worth a standalone for itself, a real workstation. Yes, I'm impressed with the latest 9.5 version model of Mureka. It's expressive and refined. It does not feel excessive. And after Suno's recent announcement, this might just be the best time to make the switch to Mureka. Because on Mureka, what you make comes with clear commercial rights, and downloads aren't capped. So if you're iterating, running versions, building up a catalog, you're not rationing exports or stopping halfway through a project to buy more. That's not an exciting thing to talk about. But if you're doing this as more than a hobby, it's the kind of detail that decides whether a tool actually works for you long term. Links in the description. You can sign up and test Mureka out for free. Go throw your own wonderful ideas at it and see what comes back. If this helped, stick around, I've got more of these coming. Stop letting good ideas die in your head. Go get one out. See you in the next one.